Hello traders. So today I'll place some trade based on candlestick psychology, but a little bit different way. And also I will explain that all trade for you all. And today's OTC market, so I place just limited trade. I think today I place only 4 trade. So let's find a good opportunity. Then I will place my trade and I will explain you uh, all that trade. So I think here is a level, resistance level, and market is downtrend. You can also call this a ranging market, but the minor trend is downtrend. So what for opportunity? Then I will place my trade and okay. Here I place call option because this is exact the previous buyer entry. Okay, I place one more trade because I am sure I can win this. I will win this trade, so that's why I place this trade. This two trade. So here I place this trade because of this entry point is a previous strong buyer's entry point. That's why I place this trade. Also you can see I draw a level. This is a level. That's why I place this trade. So let's show it. And also if this candle closes a bearish candle, also I can win because of the entry point. You can see I win these two trade. Okay, now I need to place 2 more trade because I think today I place only 4 trade. So now let's analyze the market. I don't recommend anyone for trade in OTC market. If you beginners only place only trade on the Monday to Friday market, not place trade in OTC market. Okay, wait for opportunity. And if anyone wants to know this strategy deeply, they can contact me through my Telegram group. Okay, wait for the opportunity. So here I place a put option again because this is a seller's entry point. Okay, I'll try one more trade here. Okay, here I place 2 trade for put option because this is previous seller's entry point, the extreme seller's entry point. Also there is a round number and there is a level. That's why I placed this trade, and I think this was my last trade because I placed total 4 trade, and I know I win this trade because of my entry point. So I hope you all like this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. And if anyone wants to know this strategy deeply, then you can contact me through Telegram group. Also you can see my previous strategy, previous video, that is also a good strategy video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.